Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find where the Bluetooth fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation right here. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix to fix your Bluetooth. It's actually a hidden special fuse. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The Bluetooth fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes GLC. Lucky for us, we'll be working just one fuse box. We need to open the passenger side door, come in the passenger side footwell compartment. Here on the side of the APO we have a cover. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here for the Bluetooth, you see in that row of fuses here, you have 3 special fuses. That's MF1, MF2, MF3. MF2 is the one that we need to check. It consists of 6 individual 5M fuses built in one long fuse. Remove it, one of those will be for the Bluetooth guys. That's where the main fuse is located. Secondary fuses, okay, these systems are controlled by the front and the rear SAM module in some cases, so you may want to check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM module, SAM module. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that as well. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones guys in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.